Do you want to turn your iPad Air into an ultra-versatile mini laptop? Today, I'm going to show you the HOU Rotating Keyboard with detachable magnetic case, trackpad, and backlight for the iPad Air 11 inches, M3/M2, 2025. Stick around until the end. I'll give you my final verdict. And if you want to see more reviews like this, make sure to subscribe right now. This keyboard is compatible with the iPad Air 11-inch M3 or M2. The keyboard attaches and detaches magnetically, so you can easily use the iPad on its own when needed. The case is rotating. You can flip the screen horizontally or vertically. That means you can switch between portrait, tablet mode, or landscape typing mode. You can adjust the iPad to multiple viewing angles. The keyboard charges separately via USB-C. The connection is made via Bluetooth. Here's what I tested and noticed. The keyboard connects quickly, with little to no noticeable latency depending on the task. The trackpad works well and feels precise. The backlighting is effective for typing in the dark. It offers several brightness levels and multiple colors. The keys are firm and don't wobble. The setup stays stable whether on a desk or on your lap. The Apple Pencil charges perfectly with the case, and there's also a dedicated holder at the back. The rotating hinge is super practical, something most competitors don't offer. Battery life is solid. Up to 50 hours of use without backlighting, or 4 to 6 hours with RGB lighting turned on. Weak points: it's a bit heavy, and the backlighting switches off quite quickly after just a few seconds of inactivity. What I liked: versatility, rotating screen, the built-in trackpad, detachable design, and the backlighting. All of these make it a very appealing accessory to turn your iPad into a real mobile workstation. Who I recommend it for? If you want a compact keyboard with a rotating screen and a great balance between price and features, this is an excellent choice. But if you're very demanding about trackpad precision or durability, you might want to consider more premium models. If you enjoy this kind of test and iPad accessories, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss the next reviews. And drop a comment. What accessory would you like me to test next for the iPad?